Today, I just want to have a short conversation about one of the biggest blind spots that most people have when it comes to mobility and movement quality, and it's hydration. In order for cells to maintain their elasticity and pliability, they have to be properly hydrated. So, the approach to proper hydration is two-pronged. The first one's pretty obvious. It's making sure that you're getting enough water, and a good rule of thumb is to drink half of your body weight in ounces of water a day. The second piece is electrolytes, and the reason electrolytes are important is because they actually help your body absorb the water and then shuttle it into the cells. And the other reason electrolytes are really important through the context of movement and mobility is that they are the catalyst for all the electrical signals between cells, so how the neurology communicates to the muscles and movement system. So we got to make sure that we're getting enough electrolytes. And the best source of electrolytes is salt. So just salting your food appropriately to taste is one way to do it. And then the other way is adding little pinches of salt to your water. And the other piece is kind of a black belt tip that I adopted about 15 years ago, which was life-changing, that I have all my clients do, and that's the morning metabolic cocktail. And it's something that you add to your morning routine first thing. It's 24 to 32 ounces of filtered water with half a teaspoon of salt or with a serving of electrolytes, and then some fresh citrus, so lemon or lime, because the sugar helps your body absorb the electrolytes, and then the electrolytes helps your body absorb the water. So I use an electrolyte mix because it's salt that has a specific ratio that optimizes hydration. I like to use Redmond Relight, the unflavored one, so I'm not getting any weird natural flavors. That's a really high quality one that I would recommend to anyone. And so that's really what I want you to try to start applying in this coming week here, is just making sure that your hydration is on point so that at the cellular level we have more elastic and pliable cells. Now, one thing here, if you're worried about like blood pressure because you're consuming more salt, just want to dispel that myth right now. It's not salt that's the problem, it's eating too much sugar. And when you eat sugar, your insulin spikes, and insulin sends a signal to your kidneys to absorb salt. So let's not blame salt for what sugar's doing. So if we improve our hydration and reduce sugar consumption, that's going to have really powerful ripple effects for thriving health, mobility, movement, and longevity. So I'm really looking forward to next week's practice. See you in the next practice.